Hello friends, in this video we will discuss one case study question on straight line, which is basically based on coordinate geometry. An educational trip was organized for 50 students of class 11th of a reputed school during January 2020 to visit the nearest zoo under the guidance of 5 teachers. The students with the teachers reached the main gate and collected the tickets and entered into the zoo at 10:30 am. All the children enjoyed the beauty of the environment and the variety of animals they saw. The layout of the zoo is given below. This is the layout of the zoo where the unit is 1 unit is 50 meters. Now comes to the question. Basing on the above, answer the following. The distance between zebra spot and lion safari. Zebra spot, the coordinate of zebra spot is 1, 2. This is 1, 2, and the coordinate of lion safari is 8, 9. The coordinate of lion safari is 8, 9. That means we have to find the distance between the points 1, 2, to 8, 9. And we know the distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square ka square root. So here it is 8 minus 1, 7 square is 49. 9 minus 2, 7 square is again 49. 49 plus 49 is 2 into 49, means answer will be 7 root 2 unit. Now comes to the second one. Which place in the zoo is at a maximum distance from origin? So here clearly we are having 2 points D and G, means lion safari and tiger safari, which are at maximum distance from origin. Now let's check whether OD is greater or OG is greater. The coordinate of G is 10, 7 and coordinate of O is 0, 0. So let us find out OD and OG. We will know which place is at a maximum distance from origin. OD, D means it is 8, 9. So 0, 0, 2, 8, 9. So it will be 8 square plus 9 square square root, means I am using the distance formula, which will be 64 plus 81 square root, means 145 square root. Now find OG. The coordinate of G is 10, 7. So 0, 0, 2, 10, 7. So using the distance formula, you will get 10 square plus 7 square square root, means 149 square root. 149 square root is greater than 145 square root. That means OG is greater than OD, means tiger safari is at a maximum distance from origin, because G point is tiger safari. Now comes to the third one. A boy started his journey from the bird house. First he walked 1 unit towards north, then 4 units towards west, and 5 units towards north, and then 3 units towards east. Means total distance travel is equals to 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3, which is 13 unit. And the scale of the map is given here. It is 1 unit is equivalent to 50 meters. That means we are having now 13 into 50 means 650 meters. Now comes to find the time taken. For 5 meter, time is required 6 seconds. So for 1 meter, 6 by 5 seconds. For 650 meter, it will be 65 into 650 seconds. But we have to find in minute, because the options are given in minutes. So 6 by 5 into 650 by 60 minute, which will be 13. So 13 minutes will be the answer. Now comes the next one. Equation of the line passing through bird's house and reptile house. Bird's house means the coordinate is here 9, 3, and reptile house coordinate is 1, 9. Means we have to find the line passing through B and I, having coordinate 1, 9 and 9, 3. So for this question we have to find the line which is passing through 9 comma 3 and 1 comma 9. We know the formula for equation of line passing through 2 points. It is y minus y1 is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is called the slope of the line. Now apply here. So y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. If we will simplify this, you will get 3x plus 4y is equals to 39, means C will be the correct option. Now comes to the next one. The perpendicular distance of zebra spot to the line passing through bird's house and reptile house. Just now we have find out the line passing through bird's house and reptile house. So bird's house is at the point I and reptile house is at the point B. So we just have calculated this line, the equation of this line, and we have to find out the distance of zebra spot to this line. This distance we have to find out. The coordinate of zebra spot is 1 comma 2. That means the line between bird's house and reptile house is 3x plus 4y minus 39 equals to 0, and zebra spot is at the point 1 comma 2. We need to find this distance. We know the distance formula is ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square ka square root ka modulus. Now apply this formula. You will get 3 plus 8 minus 39 divided by 3 square plus 4 square ka square root, which will be 28 by 5 or approximately 5.6 unit. Hope you understood the question. Thank you.